How long does it take for your dog to forget you? If you've had to leave your four-legged friend, even temporarily, you know how upsetting the idea can be. The answer to this question is both comforting and fascinating. First of all, it's important to understand that your dog has an incredibly strong emotional memory. Unlike us, they don't remember events chronologically, but rather sensations, smells, and associated emotions. This means your dog won't easily forget even after a long separation. The smell you on an item of clothing, the way you stroke him, or the tone of your voice remains engraved in his emotional memory. Dogs are capable of recognizing a person even after years of absence. On the other hand, forget that dogs also have an exceptional capacity to adapt and find comfort in new, benevolent figures. So if they were too away from you, he'll learn to love someone else, but without ever erase the trace of what you've shared. That's why, even if your paths part, your dog will never forget you. Don't forget to share and follow us for more video like this, and tell me in the comments what breed your dog is.